this tutorial, we're going to walk through the steps to make a one-time payment toward your tuition. To begin, sign into MyValley using your personal username and password. From the My Links drop-down menu, select Pay Tuition Bill. This will redirect you to Nelnet, our business partner site. On the main screen, you'll see Payment Activity along with your current balance due. To make a one-time payment, select Make a Payment. Notice that the account listed is for the current term you're registered for. In this example, it's winter 2019. Your current balance due to Kalamazoo Valley is listed here as well. Click on the term you would like to pay for. The payment amount will automatically populate to your amount due. You are able to adjust this amount to whatever you'd like. Once you've specified your desired amount, select the Next button. In the following section, you may select your method of payment. You can choose a direct payment from a checking or savings account, or you can pay with a credit or debit card. In this example, we'll register a checking account. Fill in the cardholder's name, bank name, routing number, and account number. Once all of the required information is filled in, choose Save and Continue. This will take you to your receipt page. Here you will see the order review. If all of the information looks correct, select Pay Now. You may print the receipt page for your records, and the payment will instantly be reflected on your account. If you would like to go back and make another payment, select the Home button and repeat the process.